So first of all, we're gonna make sure that your computer you want online has a modem, and that your bridge machine has both Ethernet or Wi-Fi and a modem. Else this will not work. So first of all, you're gonna go into Control Panel. Fuck, I need to look at the screen instead of my phone screen. Then you're gonna go into Network Connections. Then you're gonna go create a new connection. Then you're gonna go Continue, and then you're gonna set up an advanced connection. Then you're going to accept incoming connections. Then you're going to select your modem so that it works, you know. Then you're gonna, yeah, if you want VPNs to work, you can allow this. Then you make yourself an account that you will use to sign in to the dial-up service. After that, you, yeah, enable some more stuff. And, yeah, I already did this, so whatever. Then you connect. Well, actually, fuck. I'm not sure if it works without a phone box, but I have a phone box that accepts the calls and routes them. So that's why this dials to this. Then in here, you're going to go to Internet Explorer, through which you're going into Tools, Internet Options, Connections. Then you're going to make a new connection. Call it My Connection. Your area code should be left blank, and your telephone number will be the port you connected this on. For me, it's just 1. After which you, well, name it My Connection, then you can go to Settings, and I think you can, yeah, then you add a username, your password, and yeah, leave domain empty. Crap, I think I just crashed my download. Yeah, whatever. My Connection, well, whatever, that's how you do it, because then this will connect to this, then this will work, because this will connect to the internet, and that should work.